Hi, this is Marizete Browne.
And this is Kilby Browne. And we are the Property Hats New York City Team. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're back again with more YouTube videos with information for you. Today we're going to discuss one of the three main types of residential property in New York City. And hey, Frank, you in this video?
You're going to help us, right?
He's going to help us today. He's going to help us today. So, the biggest slice of pie in New York City are the co-ops, about 75% of the market.
Second one, condo.
And the third one would be a townhouse, brownstone, something like that. So, condos. Let's discuss condos today. So, condos, Marizete, forms of ownership. It's real property, just like if you owned a single-family home. You get the deed, and you get a separate tax lot. You get a separate tax bill. You own the property, not like a co-op where you own shares in the profit. Correct?
Right. You own just like you buy your single home.
Exactly. So when a lot of people get confused because they go online and they think that the taxes might be included when they look at when they're trying to figure out the monthly costs. But common charges, taxes, mortgage. You have to, put all three together.
Correct.
So, what do our clients say to us when they're looking for, property in New York City, Marizete?
Most everybody wants to buy a co-op, right? Nobody says I want to buy a co-op unless if the person knows the difference between one and the other. But most people say I want to buy a condo. And what's the main reason, Kilby?
Main reason, number one, in terms of financing, it's much easier to get a loan and get a mortgage on a condo.
Correct. Second reason?
Second reason is the application process. Much easier.
No interview, no board interview usually.
Less paperwork, not as intrusive. It can be. I mean, I've seen big board packages just on rentals, for example. But in general, you're absolutely correct. It's less.
Now, the main reason people want to buy a condo. What's the main reason, Kilby?
They want to be able to rent their space.
Exactly. People that travel, people that get transferred many times from their job, right? They want to have the freedom of subletting their place.
So, for example, if we were to pick up and move, go to Brazil or go to Europe or live somewhere else, we might want to rent this place out to this guy here. So he might want to take over, but in the co-op, they might say not allowed to rent at all.
Exactly.
They might say 2 every 5 years. They might want to they do want final approval.
Yes. And some co-ops says just 2 years. That's it.
Exactly.
So you're completely limited to rent your place. Once you buy it, you were stuck in there, unless if you sell, right?
Exactly. So that's why a lot of people just have to end up selling their co-op. Now, one thing that you know a lot about Marizete is non-U.S. citizens. What's better for them, co-op or condo?
In this case, the best choice for a foreigner is a condo because you can have your assets outside of the U.S. Your money could be, in Brazil, for example, and you most likely not be approved to buy a co-op. So condo is the choice for you.
Exactly. Yes. So condos are a choice for you. But on the flip side, let's talk about pricing.
Correct.
So the main reasons why condos are more expensive would be supply. There are a lot less of them.
Correct. Second, the flexibility that you can rent out, you can sublet.
The application process, people don't have to give as much information possibly. They might not have to have friends write them letters of recommendation, all that kind of stuff.
The process is much easier. No interview, yes.
The whole process is much easier. So, in a nutshell, that's what creates a higher price for the condo.
If you have any other additional questions, please contact us. We're more than happy to clarify to you.
Exactly. We'd love to help you. Hats off to you. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow us on our channel. We'd like to help you across your real estate journey. Hats off to you. All the best.